So you've been selling on Amazon for a while now and you're making sales, but you're just not as making as much money as you had hoped. So what can you do to take it to the next step and make even more money? In this video, I'm going to share a simple strategy that can help you find wholesale distributors in an easy way without making a single phone call. So yeah, I'm also going to share some websites and templates that I've personally used that helped me sell over $1 million last year, so that way you can get started right away. So whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your inventory, this video is going to help you out, so make sure you watch the whole thing. So the first step is we're going to figure out what category we want to sell on, so that way we have a starting point. So for the purpose of this example, I'm going to select pet supplies, so that way I can show you how the process works. So the key thing here is to find a subcategory. So for the pet supplies example, I can choose, dog supplies, cat supplies, it could be for reptiles, fish, so on and so forth. So as you can see here regarding the dog supplies, it has even a further subcategory. So you can see it has feeding and watering supplies, grooming supplies, health, toys. You get the point. The reason you want to do this is going to make your life easier as you're filing it down already. Like if you want to order food, right? You know you're hungry, so it'll make your life easier if you know and can decide what type of food that you're going to order. By the way, this might be a bad example because if I'm hungry, I'm gonna want to eat like all kinds of food or different kinds of food. So hopefully you get the point. So then once you find a certain subcategory, we're gonna start searching from that point. So we're gonna head and click dog health supplies over here, and that's where we can really see a lot of these things. So once you've narrowed down the subcategory, this is where we can really start finding some brands. So I'm gonna give you a couple tips what to look for to make it easier for you and find the good stuff. So the first one is to avoid any listings that Amazon is selling on. This is a big no-no as you don't want to compete with the giant. Second one from personal experience is you want to avoid if the brand owner is on the listings, as they want to be the only one selling their product. They don't like competition. And the last thing that you want is you want to make sure that the product has at least 3 FBA sellers, just to verify that it's a good product that gets good sales. And you also want to make sure it has 4 stars or above. And here's a big tip when searching for brands. You want to go past the first page. This is where a lot of your competition will look most of the time. And guess what? They also stop at the first page. So knowing this, let's put in that effort to go into the second page, the third page, the fourth page, so on and so forth. The reason you want to dig deeper is that most popular brands are going to show up on the first page, which means it's going to bring in more competition and lower ROI. If you're in that business of fast moving products with lower ROI, by all means. But for me, I prefer less competitions and better ROI. So that's why to find these hidden gems, you really need to go past the first page. You can do this. So this extension I have is called DS Amazon Quick View. It's a Chrome extension that allows you to see the easy way if it's sold by Amazon and not. So that's why these softwares are really cool, because it helps you expedite regarding your process. And if you can see me hover through one of these right here, you can see at the bottom right, it's going to have the Keep Us. So this is Keep Us Chrome extension that you just have to enable to see this, what the chart would look like if you need more information to go into these details without opening up a whole new page. So again, all of the purpose of the software is to make everything go fast. So we are here on the 4th page results of our subcategory. Let's see if we can find any luck. I went through the first 3 pages, I didn't really see anything. Let's see. So 6 FBA sellers here. This one is ranked number 1 in dog waste basket pet supplies. So let's go ahead and take a look. It is not sold by Amazon, so we'll go ahead and open it up. Here there's 6 Amazon FBA offers from our Ace and Zen calculator, and it is sold by Blessed by the Best. So it is not the brand is Earth rated. So we're gonna head and do a Google search on this. So this is where the fun starts. To win this game, your mission is to find the official website of that brand, so that way you can order from them directly. So from our Google search here, we're gonna see, and you can see it's the first result here, Earth rated brand. So we'll go ahead and click on that. We are at their wholesale page, which we had found at the bottom of their official website. Let's go ahead and see if we can find more information about here. All right, so at the bottom it says find a distributor near you, and we're gonna head and click reach out to us. All right, so they have 3 options here. Let's go ahead and contact sales for wholesale. And remember, we're doing everything via email and there's no phone call involved. The wholesale request, okay. Looking to carry the product in your store, don't have a distributor. So basically you fill out the basic information here, name, phone number, company, pretty obvious, and type of what we're gonna sell. We are an Amazon seller, go ahead and click that, or you can do e-commerce, either one. we're going to reach out to the brand and you're going to use this template, which I'm going to share at the description below as well. So that way we can start opening up an account with them. By the way, guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. Please leave a comment down below or reach out to me in social media or just send me a DM. So this is the template you're going to use here. Hi, we're interested in carrying earth-rated products and opening a wholesale account. Is there an application I need to fill out? Please let me know what you need. Then you just include your name, phone number, and email if it doesn't ask you for here. And you can do the same thing if you're trying to send an email if they don't have the inquiry there. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. And some people overthink in terms of what email they need to send. For me, from experience, this simple email really is straightforward and straight to the point, and I've opened multiple accounts using that exact template. So the next step is to wait for a response from the brand. So after they open up your account, that's when you have access to their product catalog, and you can go through the products themselves. So in the product catalog, you're gonna see wholesale prices, which is way lower than retail prices because you're expected to order them in bulk. And make sure you read the agreement that the brand send you once you get it. Also keep in mind that each brand is different. Some might require you to have a minimum order. Some might require to have you a minimum order quantity. That's why it's good to pay attention upon the agreement, and most of them, I know for a fact, don't like to sell it under its MAP pricing. MAP basically stands for minimum advertised price. So this is why the agreement is important, as MAP pricing requires you to not fall below the minimum price as they had listed here regarding their products. So yeah, don't worry if it's your first time contacting a brand. They will literally walk you through the process. So don't overthink it, and it's way easier than you had imagined. So yeah, go through the product catalog and see which products you can sell that will make you money on Amazon FBA. So after that, it's pretty much just rinse and repeat. In order to be successful, understanding the numbers game is important. As you open more account, it just gives you more access to potential products that you can sell. And yeah, if you guys want to learn more Amazon FBA tips, here's a video that I had created for you. Thanks for watching, you guys. Adios.